National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, northern Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, central Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles north of White Bluff, or 12 miles west of Ashland City, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greenbrier, Pleasant View, Ridgetop, Cheatham Dam, Cedars Hill, Springfield, Coopertown, Jolton, Goodlettsville, Ashland City, and Millersville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 105 and 106. Interstate 24 between mile markers 14 and 38. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee.